What happens when Suzuki takes decades of motocross engineering and unleashes it into a leader-class machine? You get the 2026 RM-Z 1050, and it might just change everything. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down Suzuki's bold new entry into the high-performance segment. Design. Starting with design, Suzuki hasn't held back. The RM-Z 1050 features aggressive, angular bodywork that demands attention from every angle. The sharp LED headlight cluster sits low and wide, creating an unmistakably menacing stance. A refined frame geometry balances track precision with everyday confidence. Simply put, this bike looks as fast standing still as it does in motion. Performance. Underneath that striking exterior sits a 1049cc inline-4 engine producing an impressive 178 horsepower. Throttle response feels immediate and linear throughout the rev range. Combined with a lightweight chassis and fully adjustable suspension, handling becomes razor-sharp and intuitive. Whether carving mountain roads or pushing hard on the track, the RM-Z 1050 inspires confidence at every turn. Features and technology. Technology takes center stage here. A vibrant 6-inch TFT display delivers essential information with seamless smartphone connectivity. Multiple riding modes let you customize power delivery to match conditions. Cornering ABS and advanced traction control work quietly in the background, providing safety without dulling the experience. Conclusion. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 makes a powerful statement. Stunning design, thrilling performance, and intelligent technology wrapped into one impressive package. What are your thoughts on Suzuki's latest creation? Drop a comment below. If this review helped you, smash that like button and share it with fellow riders. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews so you never miss our latest content. See you in the next one.